If you want to know how I made paella, stay tuned. I'm starting out with 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to be placing some red and green peppers in there. And I'm going to be cooking that for about 2 minutes, stirring continuously to keep it from burning. Now I'm placing in the onions. And you'll see me taking out some of the onions and peppers because some of them were cut too large. So now I'm getting ready to put in a teaspoon of minced garlic. And at this point, I realized I did not put the broth on, so I'm putting it on the heat to warm it up. And I'm placing the diced tomatoes in the mixture. And I let that cook for about 2 minutes before I put in about a pinch of saffron threads. And now I'm placing a teaspoon and a half of paprika, smoked paprika, into the mixture and letting it cook for a while, probably about 3 minutes before putting in the rice. And I did put in a teaspoon of cooking wine as well. And that was a whole cup of rice. And now I'm turning the heat down to medium low and letting it simmer. And I turned the heat down to medium low to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And throughout the process, I did shake the pan a few times to keep the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pan. So I added in some salt and pepper, about half a teaspoon of both. And now I'm adding in 1/4 cup of frozen corn. So now I'm adding the shrimp. They are peeled and deveined with the tail on. And I did dry it before I put it in using paper towels. To increase the cooking speed of the shrimp, I did place a lid on the pan for about 2 minutes. After taking the lid off the pan, I did increase the heat to medium-high for about 5 minutes in an attempt to achieve the sokarat. After 5 minutes, I removed the pan from the heat and I placed foil over it as well as a dish towel. And I let that stay on there for about 5 minutes. And here are the results. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, be blessed.